How to add profile picture in Microsoft Teams. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add profile picture in your Microsoft Teams account. In order to do so, first of all, you'll need to open your Microsoft Teams application, or you may also go to the official website of Microsoft Teams. Once you open it, you'll make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you'll be able to see the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on your profile icon and then a pop-up will appear. Here you'll be able to locate your profile picture. If you haven't added it, you'll only be able to see your profile initial. Now simply click on it, a camera icon will appear. Once clicking on it, you'll be able to see this pop-up on your screen. Now simply click on this upload option right here and now choose a photo from your device. Once you have selected your photo, now click on this save button right here in order to save the changes. By doing so, you can simply close the application and reopen it, and then you'll be able to see your profile picture has been successfully added. So this is how you can add profile picture in Microsoft Teams. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.